Top 10 Most Extreme Places on Earth. Earth is a unique planet in the solar system. The huge variety and diversity of life is amazing. It is distinguished from other planets by the presence of an atmosphere that plays a protective role, a magnetic field, a water shell, and a unique position in outer space. All this makes the Earth suitable for life, ideal for people. However, different corners have different habitats. Some of them are so fantastic that they remind scenes from films about distant space, and the conditions for people are completely dangerous. Together, they make up the 10 most extreme places on Earth, from the poisonous desert in Ethiopia to the coldest place on the planet. The Danakil Desert is located in Ethiopia. Its soil consists of burning salt, sulfuric acid, and volcanic rocks. Altogether, this makes it the most uninhabited and unsuitable place on the globe. The landscape is dominated by yellow and orange colors, and outwardly, the desert resembles more like another planet. But in any case, life is practically absent in it because it is a real boiling pot of salt and acid. The hottest place is recognized Death Valley in the United States of America, in the state of California. It has the highest temperature. It comes down to the fact that tourists just fry eggs on the ground. Records of temperature broke the mark of 52 degrees Celsius. She was spotted on June 30, 2013. However, an absolute record was set in the Iranian desert, Dasht-Lut, as much as 70 degrees Celsius. This was done back in 2005. At this temperature, migratory birds seen above here were dying from the unbearable heat. However, it is Death Valley that is considered the hottest place, since it owns a number of the hottest days. But the coldest place is unconditionally considered Vostok Station, which is located in the center of Antarctica. This is the former station of the Soviet Union, created to study the mainland. It was there that on July 21st, 1983, a temperature of minus 89 degrees was recorded, and it is the lowest recorded by the World Meteorological Organization. Another record of Antarctica is the driest place. In the dry valleys, it has not rained for more than 2 million years. Many mistakenly give this title to the Sahara or Atacama, which is located in Chile. But it is the dry valleys that are the record holders. They are located at an altitude of more than 4,000 meters above sea level. There is not even snow. The air is so dry. It is also the quietest place in the world. And in another category, Antarctica is a champion. On its territory is the most windy place. This is the Bay of the Commonwealth, where the wind speed reaches 240 kilometers per hour. Walking against the wind is one of the impossible. In the winter months, this speed is constantly kept, but the average annual speed is only 80 kilometers per hour. The data is stored in the Guinness Book of Records and the National Geographic Atlas. Mawsynram Village in India is recognized as the wettest point on Earth. It is located in the state of Meghalaya, and more precisely in the Kashi Mountains, and is located at an altitude of 1,430 meters above sea level. Valley is rich in waterfalls, famous for lush vegetation. According to scientists, so much rain falls in a year that the famous statue of Christ in Rio de Janeiro, reaching 30 meters in height, would be knee-deep in the water. Their total number fluctuates around 1,200 centimeters. The city of Aomori in Japan is the most snowy area. About 792 centimeters of snow falls annually in it. The period of snowfall falls on November-April. In the city, entertainment is popular. Driving in a car, you may get the impression that you are moving between the real glaciers. The suburb looks like a boundless snowy desert. Almost 300,000 inhabitants live in Aomori, and they perfectly put up with snow. Everest is the absolute record holder for height among mountains. This is not only an admiration for the height and beauty of the mountains, but also a danger even to physically strong people. Above 8,000 meters above sea level, the death zone begins. The pressure is so low that not everyone can handle it. The total height of Everest is 8,848 meters. Among the volcanoes, Kilauea is most active. It is located in Hawaii. Many of the volcanoes on the planet do not sleep, but it is Kilauea that regularly makes itself felt. Since the 1980s, he has been constantly erupting. This elevates him to one of the longest acting. Scientists expect a new eruption in the near future. In the end, Bouvet Island is the most isolated. The uninhabited island became known to mankind as early as 1739 as a result of a French expedition. It is located in the South Atlantic and belongs to Norway. Almost 93% of the total area is covered by glaciers. The nearest ground point, Queen Maud Land in Antarctica, is more than 1,000 kilometers. All these places, because they are dangerous, arouse the interest of all people to visit or conquer them. Scientists, for that reason too, have a special interest in these dangerous places. Let's not forget, as more we study, that more prepared we are for life. Don't forget to press like and subscribe button so as not to lose any of our videos, because we are trying to learn more with you.